As we sit in pews on Sunday, hearing from God's Word, we forget the millions worldwide who still have never heard. And though we cannot see them, their lost faces out of sight, 2 Corinthians 6:2 tells us the harvest fields are white. They need to know Christ loves them, and that He gave His life to take the punishment for their sin and end their life of strife. How can they believe if they have not heard? Romans 10:13 lets us know they need someone to tell them, but not everyone can go. How will we hear their pleading eyes implore? The mission fields are waiting, even at your very door. But God has called each one of us to help spread His word abroad. The lost are here among us, and far away on foreign sod. Fill our hearts with compassion, so we may see their needs, and give to help those who go, so they can plant the seeds. How will we hear their pleading eyes implore? The mission fields are waiting, even at your very door. And though you may feel helpless and not know where to start, remember to pray for those each day, for God's love will ne'er depart. So whether you are called to go, to give, or just to pray, each one of us is needed until God calls us home one day. How will we hear their pleading eyes implore? The mission field is waiting, even at your very door. So may we fulfill our calling, and may we never fear, as we spread the gospel's good news to every listening ear. Then as we enter heaven and our battles have been won, we will lay our crowns before Him as we hear the Lord's well done. How will they hear their pleading eyes implore? Jesus, lead me to them, so they'll be forever yours.